In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your workspace in DaVinci Resolve 18. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a beginner diving into video editing, knowing how to reset your workspace can help resolve layout issues or simply bring back a familiar setup. This process is simple and effective, so let's dive right in and have your workspace looking exactly how you want it. First, let's make sure you have DaVinci Resolve open and ready to go. Once you've launched DaVinci Resolve, you'll be greeted by a screen that displays your list of projects. If this is your first time here or you've recently updated the software, you might notice a few new projects or changes to your layout. Next, you'll need to select a project. It doesn't matter which one you open, just double click to enter a project and you'll be taken to the main interface. Now you might feel overwhelmed with all the panels and tools vying for your attention, but that's where resetting your workspace comes in handy. Once inside your project, navigate to the edit page. The edit page is where you do the bulk of your editing work, featuring your media pool, timeline, and various editing tools. It's crucial to have a clean and organized workspace here so that you can work efficiently. If your workspace ever feels too cluttered or you just want everything to return to default settings, head over to the top of the screen. At the top of the interface, you'll notice several menu options. What we need to focus on is the Workspace menu. Click on this to open a drop-down menu. This menu gives you various options to modify your workspace, from enabling different panels to customizing your interface. But today, our focus is solely on getting everything back to its original state. In this drop-down menu, look for the option titled Reset UI Layout. Click on this option. Now, why would you want to reset your UI layout? This step is particularly useful if you've dragged panels around or accidentally hidden certain tools and can't seem to find your way back to an organized setup. Resetting will revert everything to the factory defaults, giving you a fresh canvas to work on. In just a few clicks, your interface will snap back to its default settings. This reset is an invaluable part of your editing toolkit, ensuring you're always just a few clicks away from a clean and organized workspace. It's a time saver and helps keep your editing process flowing smoothly without unnecessary distractions or confusion over misplaced panels. And there you have it, you've reset your DaVinci Resolve 18 workspace to its original layout. Now you're all set to dive back into your project with a clutter-free and optimized workspace. Remember, whenever things seem out of place or you need a fresh slate, your reset option is right there waiting for you. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your editing experience seamless and productive.